Problem number 5. Find the angle formed by the minute and hour hands of a clock at 12:30. So this problem, even though the wording is short, is actually a little bit difficult. And if we want to do it, the first thing I would do would be draw a picture of a clock. And the angle we're looking for here is this blue one. Or if you wanted to, I wouldn't take off points if instead you found this pink one, because it doesn't tell you specifically, and they're both technically angles formed by the clock. But I think it would be more natural to go for the blue one, so that's what we're going to do. So this blue one, if we need to find it, one thing that we can kind of think about is this clock is a circle, so it has 360 degrees. And it's easy to see how far the minute hand is moved. So if I just draw the clock with the minute hand, and I have like a perfect vertical line here, say here's 12, here's the minute hand. This makes a perfect halfway around the clock. So I get 1/2 times 360 equals 180 degrees. Maybe I should have used a different color. Let me change the color of this angle so it doesn't look like that's what I'm solving for. Let's put it in pink. Oops. So that the minute hand makes a perfect 180 degree angle with the 12. The problem is the hour hand isn't perfectly vertical. It's moved halfway in between the 12 and the 1. So how much of the clock has the hour hand moved? There's 12 numbers, and it's moved halfway between 12 and 1. So it's, if I'm drawing this angle here in orange, it'll have moved 1/2 of a 12th. The idea being every time the hour hand moves from one number to another number, it goes a 12th of the way through the clock. So here it's only going half of the way. So it would be 0.5 over 12, or 1/24th of the way. And now I can do the same thing I did over here. A circle has 360 degrees. I've moved 1/24th of the way through. That's 50 degrees. And now how do I find the pink angle? Well, if I look at the two angles these two things make with the vertical, these two hands make with the vertical, I can now just go ahead and subtract them. So I get 180 minus 15 equals 165 degrees. So this would be the very, very upper of what I might be willing to put on an exam. Even then it would probably be more of a bonus question. But it's a good one to be thought-provoking because it's not necessarily easy. But I think it's a good problem, and it's a fun problem.